Hi y'all, it's me, Mz.Kree. I'm back again today with another video. So I don't know what I did with my tripod that I usually have my phone on, so I had to improvise. So that's why I set a lower angle. So today I'm going to be doing, I've never had a tostada before, so that's what I'm going to be doing instead of tacos. So yeah, I'm going to make it. I mean, I already have everything to put on it. I just have to actually put it together. So that's what we're going to be doing. And I got some ice and a strawberry crush soda. So how are y'all? What's been going on? Yeah. So are y'all back to work? Or y'all still home? What y'all doing? And I still got my little wine cup that I put soda in. Yep, sure do. All right, y'all. So I'm going to say grace, and then we're going to start putting all this stuff together. God, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. Amen. So these are the tostadas. These are the ones I just did. Now, I don't know why, but every time I fix tacos or something like that, they always end up like this. Like I left them in there for a few seconds, I guess, too long. See the difference? See, this one's a little crispier, a little browner. And then this one is lighter. Y'all can see the difference. But, I mean, I don't care. So, I ain't gonna worry about it. So, that's that. This is salsa. And so what the hell goes on first? Does lettuce go on first? No, I guess I'll put cheese on. No, I'll put the meat on first. So this is the meat. It's ground turkey. So I'll put the meat on first, I guess. I don't know. Have I even seen somebody eat a tostada before? I think I did. But I think the only reason I wanted to taste it was because it's one of the things on a Taco Bell list that they're not gonna be having no more. But it's alright though. Okay, so and I have fire sauce over here. So okay, this is the spoon for the salsa. Okay, maybe I should have put the lettuce on the bottom. I don't know. Oh well, I'm gonna put some cheese on it now. I guess. Oh well, I mean, my father used to say, well, it's all going to the same place. So, oh, and this is some romaine lettuce. I forgot to buy the pre-shredded lettuce from the store. So, this is what I got. This is just the regular lettuce I already had. So, this is what I'm going to use. Maybe I should have put, well, I don't know. It's too late now. Don't worry about it. Is that I guess that's enough lettuce. If it just stay on there. Okay. And now salsa. I had some hot salsa, but I don't know where it is. I guess maybe King may have ate it, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. But it's alright though. It is alright. Alright. And the sauce. The fire sauce. Okay. Hopefully everything goes okay. Okay. I guess. I don't know. Well, it's gonna have to work. Let's see. Okay. Well, at least unlike a taco, the shell didn't crack. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to just put some of the cheese. Man, some of the sauce over there by the cheese. Okay. Tastes good to me. And then I, of course, you know that she's sitting right here waiting. It's a little bit spicy because I use the hot and spicy taco mix instead of regular. Stay on this stuff. Goodness gracious. I think it's because the lettuce was kind of just thrown on there. So, this is good though. Oh, you know what? We probably made it better if I used some like nacho cheese, like out of the can. That probably made it a little bit better. But it's alright. It's good the way it is. I'm gonna put the lettuce on the bottom this time. And try to break it up in little smaller pieces. Man, oh man. Oh, so it was a tornado today in Maryland. Well, tornado warning in Maryland. And you know the surrounding areas. Was any of y'all affected by that? I know it was doing a lot of flooding, like in St. Mary's County. I don't know if I don't think I know anybody who lives in St. Mary's County. My brother used to live in St. Mary's County, but he don't live down there no more. So yeah. So y'all, excuse me. I think I'm gonna start doing videos to show y'all how I make. Well, I guess everybody make candles pretty much basically the same way. How I make the candles and stuff for my website. Not for my website, for my little bit, for my business. So, but I mean, if you can, not you can, but everybody pretty much, and I think, makes candles basically the same way. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a video on that or what. What y'all think? Give me some other ideas on what to do videos on. Because sometimes I just don't damn feel like eating sometimes. And you know what I noticed too? Like some people some people say that they come on, they still do videos even when they in a bad mood, or, you know, if they're upset or something like that. I can't. Because it's like, when I'm mad, if y'all remember that song, it's written all over your face. It's written all over my face when I'm pissed off. So, I don't know if I'm going to do that. So, yeah. And then I'm mad. I ain't really got nothing to talk about. So, yeah. I don't know. You know what ticking me off? Every time I open my door to let midnight outside, a damn fly come in. It's almost like one come in when I let her outside. Then another one try to come in when I'm letting her back in. It just drives me crazy. Then it takes me forever to get the fly out. And then I tried, some people call it that, like a little hillbilly, this little hillbilly recipe thing, where they put syrup in a hot dog in a jar and put holes in it and put it outside, and it's supposed to make the flies go to that instead of your house. That do not work. Because the jar, I put that jar outside like a month ago. And only thing is in that daggone jar is them old, nasty looking hot dogs now. And then the syrup. But now the syrup look dark. Maybe it's because of the rain. I don't know what it's because. Not the rain. Jesus. The sun. I don't know what it's from. But now the syrup look darker than it did when I put it in there. And I'm just like, okay, why ain't... I don't think no flies in it. No ants. I don't think no nothing in it. I'm going to go look. I'm going to check it and see. But I don't think nothing is in it. But when I watched the reviews and stuff like that, they was catching all kind of flies. Maybe we got different flies. Because I think they were down south, like down in Georgia or North Carolina or something like that. Maybe it's different kind of flies. And maybe the flies up here ain't trying. They don't want to be bothered with that. I don't know. But it sure didn't work. So, yeah. I don't know. Okay. Here is the next one. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay. There was something else I was going to talk to you about. I don't know what it is though. Oh, the stuff. You know. The stuff that's going around starts with the C. About how it is, you know, just floating around in the prisons. That is crazy. Some of y'all know, like, my husband is in prison. So, it's crazy how it's so many different inmates from different prisons that is getting this stuff. It's crazy. Because this little business I used to run, the inmates had to, you know, email me and stuff like that. So some of them would contact me now and be like, hey, you know, I hope your family's okay. But what it is just a mass text a mass email that they sent out to everybody on their email list. Like this one guy said that he had it and he's recovering from it, but because of his other pre-existing health conditions, they had to send him home. And I was like, I was dead. Everything. I'm doing better now, but you know, for a while, it was bad. So you had to file for a compassionate release. So Tyrone filed for a compassionate release too. So hopefully they'll grant it and he'll be home soon. So we'll see. Now I'm 4 o'clock. Actually, let me use the little burnt one. It still tastes the same. You know what? You still can taste. You can taste a little hint of burnt a little bit, but it's okay. Yeah, it's crazy that it's just going crazy in there like that. That's terrible. So, if any of y'all loved ones or anything is locked up, try and get in touch with them. Make sure they're okay. Because you can't social distance in there. So, it's kind of like a petri dish. Because you're not going outside. Y'all just in there. And my thing is, it's the CO's fault because the inmates can't leave. So the CO's boarded in there. It's terrible. Ow, that thing cut my mouth. Cut the roof of my mouth. Not cut it. Y'all ever ate Captain Crunch while it was still crunchy? That's what it felt like. Like it just, I don't know, graze the top of your mouth, I guess. Anyway. Thank y'all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you be notified when I put up another video. And what else? Oh, give the video a thumbs up. Until I see y'all in the next video. Toodles.